welcome back to my class. So for the section 2, we'll use the AI template to make a quick layout for the furnishings and furnitures. Okay, let's just go back to our design tool. So for the last course, we have already finished with the floor plan, right? You can add some doors in this bedroom, so we can show you the AI template better. So choose one of these space, and then you can click AI. Choose the layout and style. Choose single room or choose the whole house. I show you with a single room. Okay, click confirm. So it's very important to set the room type before you using the AI template, because the system will detect which type of this space. So it will match with different layout and the template. Okay, so you can see we have some different layouts for the plan, right? But I think this one is okay, and I can click match style, click confirm. So after we match with some different templates on the left side, you can see here, right? And also we have different library to match. If you have some models or textures in your enterprise library, you will find in here. But for today's case, I think the public library is enough, and I can choose this one, and with soft furnishing and also with hard furnishings, and I'll apply with them all, and I click apply. So you can see we just apply with these furnitures in our living room, right? And we can click number 3 to check this space. So you can see it's not bad, right? With these furnitures, we have a living room with these nice models in here. And also, after we're done of these layouts, we can do some modification for these furnitures. Like I want to, rotate this light and also drag a little bit. What if I want to duplicate these chairs? Like I can click copy and to here, and also I can rotate to another direction, drag into the same place, and also you can press Alt to copy this one, okay, and double click the right mouse so you can cancel it. And also there's more tips for you if you want to use the array feature, like the linear array. You can click this one. You can see there is a number on the top where you can put like 4 and click confirm, like in choose direction, maybe this one. So you can see we got a 4 chairs of this direction. Okay, and also you can use the array to use the polo array, which means you can to array them in an arc. Okay, and choose the start point, and also with 3 click confirm, and again, so you can see we got 3 chairs by using the array features, right? So, and also after we done with this modification, you can choose them, and also you can press shift to select them all and to group it. After group it, you can also add to your favorite, which means you can find in your personal account, and here your furniture sets, choose this one, and next time you want to use these groups of furnitures, it's very easy, right? So, and also if you want to change for these furnitures materials, you can choose this one, go to the material editor. You see we can do some modification for these models. You can see the component means there can be 4 different materials which you can choose. So maybe choose this one, and we can change some properties on the right panel. And also you can change like another texture, drag and paste on these patterns. Like I want to choose this one, and I'm just, you see the texture just change into another patterns, right? And also can scale it a little bit. And after you're done with the material change, you can also run a demo to check the material. And after we finish with the material modification, we can click down. So that's the AI template. And what do you need to do after using the AI template feature to create these furnitures and the furnishings, right? So that's how we're gonna use with the AI template. And we have a small assignment for you guys. You need to choose a bedroom and also with a living room using the AI template to generate these furnitures and make some like copy and rotate these furniture, make them have the unified style. So that's the requirement for you guys. And don't forget to submit.